Welcome to Kitchen Magic with Brandy. This is our second installment for our Making a Family Barbecue with a pressure cooker. What we are going to do now is make our potato salad in a pressure cooker. So I just took my potatoes, peeled them up. We are going to chunk them up in bite-sized pieces. And we're going to throw those into our pressure cooker along with a cup of water and some seasoned salt, because you always want to season your water. And then we're going to pressure cook those for 4 minutes on high. So, we've got all of our taters chopped up in bite-sized pieces. Add our cup of water. And then we're going to put probably a tablespoon of just Lowry seasoned salt, okay? And we're going to add our taters into this. Oh, I have a runaway tater over there. Our lid back on it. And this time we are just going to set pressure cook to 4 minutes. And then push start. And that's all we have to do to get our potatoes good and soft. Okay, our pressure cooker went off on our potatoes, so I've released our pressure. Get those opened up. Let's look in there and let's check these guys, make sure they're soft. Oh yeah, perfectly fork tender. We just need to drain these, run them under some cool water to get them cooled off, and then we'll make our potato salad. Okay, so we've run our potatoes under cold water. We've got them nice and cooled off. We're just going to put them into our bowl here. We are going to chop up our 2 eggs and add in here to this. You're probably not supposed to chop things in your hand like this. I'm sure there's some professional chef out there who's currently having a coronary, but I'm a home cook. That's how we roll. I haven't cut a finger off yet, so I must be doing something right. Alright, we are going to add a little bit of seasoned salt. I would say probably a teaspoon, because mayonnaise has salt content in it, so do the pickles. You don't want it to be too salty. We're going to get 1 heaping spoonful of mayonnaise. And I'm actually kind of running a little bit low on my pickles, but we're pretty much going to put most of this rest of this jar, which I'd say is probably about 4 ounces of pickle in there. We just stir it all up. We throw it in the fridge. And we wait for its time to serve everything else. But guys, I have had so many compliments on this tater salad over the years. And it really is that simple to make.